Hello, this is Tracy Brown, and I want to welcome you to our week 8 breakdown trades that we took. So, before this explanation of the chart and analysis, I want to show you, I want you to know that the market has been very, very, very interesting, especially GDP USD has been in a consolidation for a while. So a lot of people have been asking me questions. Why is it that we have not been seeing trade from it? It's because the market is consolidating. And a lot of times in consolidation mode, you have to be very careful when to catch your trade, depending on the strategy that you trade. So I want to take you to the chart and just to show you what we did this week and also what um, other announcement and special offers that we have for you guys that you can take advantage of. But first, let's see how much we made this week and what we did this week on the chart. So I will just share my chart with you quickly right there. Now, this is a trade that I'm on, but before that, we traded um, two major pairs this week, which wasn't the regular pair that we have. So we traded AUD USD, sorry, AUD New Zealand, and this is the trade. And we have a beautiful uh, entry at that level. And let me just show you what happened. And this is 4 hour time frame. Um, I have two major strategy that I normally employ in my trading, and I've talked about four strategy on my course. So just in case you wonder which one is it, I will just explain to you how you can get over this. Now, I know some people say that stick to one strategy. You know what? If you have been in the trading industry, bring the market, you understand that your ability to be versatile in looking at the market will give you more edge in the market. It will help you to stay safe because a lot of people, whenever their strategy fails or is not giving them opportunity in the market, they just give up. They think the strategy doesn't work, so they move to something else. No, you have to understand that there are dynamics in the market. The market creates dynamics. So sometimes your strategy may not be profitable for a while, and another strategy will, you see. And if this strategy is profitable now, tomorrow, or next month, it may not be profitable. The market would have changed that will make that strategy not to be profitable. And that moment, that doesn't mean next month or other years it will not be profitable. It's just that the dynamics of the market will give you those bumps in the market, those loopholes, those challenges of not getting trades, because most strategy does not give you 100% win rates. In fact, there is no strategy that give you 100% win rate. So you got to get that clear. But your strategy must be able to give you an edge. So if there is no edge, it means don't trade that strategy. That strategy is not profitable at that moment, then stop trading it. But there could be other strategy that fits that condition of the market at that moment. And if you do not stick with that, if you don't give yourself the opportunity to be versatile, to expand your knowledge uh, in all of these areas, not having too many multiple strategy, but at least having something that works for you, and that is what I want to talk. So we are actually going to be looking at different dynamics of trading strategy, and then begin to put that into your trading system that align with your personality, which is very important. So if you go through my course, you will see how simple you can actually pick any of this strategy and navigate your way and trade it, whether you're a day trader, a scalper, or a swing trader. The strategies put in the course fit in for you. Okay, now this trade, I actually use what I call the ICI strategy. Okay, what we did was very simple, was to look at the movement of the higher time frame and then be able to see what the market is doing on the overall market on the daily. So the daily is where we got in. We saw that the market moved in a lower section. We see price already trending lower with the range. We have price break structure the first time, and the second time this one broke structure to this low. Liquidity were grabbed over here, and there was a pullback. So we calculated the pullback and gave us opportunity to get into the trade. So this is how we got into this particular trade on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we observed that price broke below 61 and then retest on that 61. As you can see, a retest on the 61, we're able to get in on the trade, and we've been on this trade, and actually I've closed that on 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is 1 to 2. The target was to get to 1 to 3. Normally you use this the previous low as your TP1. So today's Friday. I didn't want to keep the trade for another week, another weekend. So the trade we got in on Friday, we got in on that trade on Friday. So that first that was Friday. Today makes it 1 week, 7 days. Yes, today it was able to hit 1 to 2 risk to reward on our trade, which was around here. So this was the trade for the week, and it was just one long trade. We took swing pattern, 7 days straight up, and then we had our TP hit. Again, you didn't have to trade like this. It's not compulsory that you have to trade like this, but you see, this is one of the trading strategy that will give you a lot of peace of mind, and you are not actually wondering what the market is doing or worried about any new spike or anything. So the next trade we took was this particular trade, which actually gave us a lot of time, of a lot of issues before it eventually started pushing up to where we have almost close to TP. And now we hope today that we'll be able to get this trade hit TP. This is Tcbfx, and we actually see the price played on us so many times. As you can see, we got in on this trade right here, and we saw that was on Monday. Okay, we got in on this trade on Monday, and price has been playing around since on Monday, and eventually pushed above, and now trading above levels, which is already over how many 1 to 1.6 already. So which obviously I can gladly close my trade here, but you see, it depends on what you are trading, what you're doing. So it depends on what you want to do. But the market, I'm targeting this equal high today. Hopefully the market get there before it close, and then this is my TP, and I'll close my trade for the week, and we'll look forward to other opportunity next week. So this was exactly how we traded it, and it was sent to the community. Let me show you. This is our Trading Lab community that we'll send it to on a daily analysis section. As you can see that we had this setup. You see that we had the setup. This one didn't play out. This one eventually got us out on a loss, and also this is the one for Tcbfx that I sent. As you can see, this is the setup, and 4 days ago, and this is the AUD setup. Look at the AUD New Zealand setup swing trade. This is just 1 week ago, precisely like I said, 7 days ago. And this is the trade that we're sending. And obviously, at the end of it, we had results being sent to the community, and we had result. And I was sharing with them yesterday. We have this one, which is the one I just showed you, and this is the other one. So we have a pretty rough week, not too bad. We were profitable. It's been a profitable week so far, and we cannot deny that truth. So we will go again next week. So if you are interested in joining us in trading like this, you better join the Trading Lab. Join CB Trading Lab. The link is in the description below. So this is the trade we took for the week. Now I have a very special offer to some of you who will be interested in joining us in Trading Lab. That's number one. And also, you want to become one of my mentees and also have free access to my course. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing this giveaway for a number of truths that is going on. A number of truths. What I mean by truth means what is really happening right now. The economy is affecting a lot of young stars, young traders, young aspiring traders. They can't afford to pay the course fee or anything or mentorship program that they would like to take. So that has been a challenge on most of them, especially those from the West Africa region, and the exchange rates against dollars, against pounds is just staggering. It's terrible. It's terrible. So I feel so saddened in my heart to see things go against them in such a way. They can't afford to learn these things, even though when they come on YouTube, they are not getting proper guidance, proper direction, proper psychological section for them to learn how to stay in the market. They are not getting proper risk management training, and all they have on YouTube is strategy, 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 and which is not all about trading. You got to have the right mindset psychologically to trade. You got to have the right risk management profile or understanding to be able to preserve and protect your account. All of these are very important. So, and that's why I am actually giving you this opportunity. Now, there's a trade I am on, stay on. I have one trade open. Let me show you. I have one trade open right here, still running. It's not done yet, and we're almost $1,000. So again, that's the only one trade left on GDP chef. I've closed some other entries earlier on because I had multiple entries on it, and I just wanted to hit $1,000 on this account. And when it does, and we'll close it, and I believe it's going to take out the previous high, and that's where I'm targeting my TP. So for those of you stay on this trade with me, you can still stay on it and wait for that TP level to be hit over there. And if it does, congratulations, and you can close out. This is my last trade for the week, and that will maybe take me to $3,200 to $302,000 in overall for the week. That means we made about $2,000 on 300K account this week as it is. That's what will be like. So, which is not a bad thing because the market has not been very, very stable. We're trying to be safe, not to lose our account as well or get a massive drawdown in the market. So these are the things we need to try and avoid. So just to let you know that this trade, I'm still on it, and it's still a long way to go though, but I'm closing at this tip. Immediately price get there, it's going to take me out on a profit close trade, and that's it. So what am I trying to tell you? Get this opportunity now. And for those of you who are struggling to get it, this trying to get into my mentorship for this period, trying to get my course is now made available for you easily. Let me show you where to go. First of all, you can actually use this link on the screen right here, but I'm gonna just type it in so you can see everything that I'm talking about, TCB, and that's it. So when you get here, it will bring you to the courses. Now, all the courses is now offered for $99, 99 pounds. That means in less than £100, you will have access to all my courses. That means all the program that you see here, they are going for 99. This is my new course. It's called Fractor X. This is a no-brainer. This is the strategy I said. I trade two major strategy, Fractor X and the ICI. The ICI is under Fractor S as well. So if you go for the Fractor S, you are just making the right choice. Guess what? You will learn everything that I know about trading and all of the new development and skills and strategy that is involved, and how we got funded through this strategy. We were able to trade a bigger account so far and it's all there for you. And also, this one is my first academy that I opened, and I had about 15 reviews there, which obviously a lot of reviews have been coming in like on 5 stars. So these are the courses. This one is going for 99. If you choose to go for that, you can take that as well. Any of this course you take today, you sign up for, you will have free access to me, and you'll be in my mentorship, and I'll be able to guide you, train you, scale you for the next 365 days. Can you imagine that? That is an opportunity. So I'm giving it to everyone who are willing and struggling to join a training course and want to learn something. This is an opportunity for you. So immediately you get this, get in touch with me. Otherwise, you can also go to my Telegram channel. Just use the link on the screen and get in touch with me that I'm interested. So if you can't get your card to go through this website, you just get in touch with me, and then we'll discuss your local way of payment, other options. But if you take this, and ensure please you get in touch with me at my Telegram channel ID, and then we'll be able to sign you up and hook you up continually. Now we also have the trading lab. The trading lab is a monthly subscription basis. Is a monthly subscription program that allow you to participate on our daily trades and analysis that I send. So this one is different. If you want to be part of this, then you have to also sign up and get access to it. The link is going to be in the description of this video, so you'll be able to get access to it as well. So you will have my daily trade analysis. You also have, if I'm trading, you're going to be trading. If I'm not trading, you're not going to be trading. That's the truth about this one. If I'm losing a trade, you will lose a trade. If I'm not losing, you're going to profit. If I'm profiting, you're going to profit as well. So that's what this is all about. So we have two sections there where you'll be in, and we also have mentees as well that can join. If you're a mentee, once you join the mentorship, you'll be able to join the group for the mentee in this place. So we'll add you up, and you'll be able to participate on what we're doing. But you may not have access to the daily analysis, the daily trade that I put out. Only those who paid for that service will be getting access. As you can see, the members on those areas are different. They are not everyone, about 15 people there. They are different. So it's not everyone that is in there, just to let you know. So if you're coming in, you want to make your choice, you want to make your choice wisely. All right, that's all about I have to tell you on this. So let's go back to the chat. So I will encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity, and let's roll with it. So now next week, which is week 9, what are we going to be doing in week 9? Well, week 9, guys, well, I'm going to be coming up with the analysis for the week, for the upper week, and we're going to look at some swing trade opportunities as well, like we did this week. We're going to look at some swing trade opportunities that will help you to get into the market and then leave it for a while. And those of you who want to do a day trade, you want to catch the move on a daily basis, then you should join the trading lab or take up the mentorship course and start learning how to do it. And it's gonna be a beautiful year so far, that we're going to be trading a lot of opportunities, a lot of peeps to catch. So, and yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. I believe you have enjoyed this section. So I will see you in the next video, which is going to be week 9. Yes, it's going to be week 9. So bye for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one.